Hello and welcome back to Mazda UK.
Now today we'll be meeting up with Emma from Bristol, a passionate MX-5 owner. And we'll be treating you to a behind-the-scenes exclusive featuring the all-new Mazda CX-5.
Yep, we get to see the CX-5 going, well, sideways. But you have to wait for that one. Let's hand over to Emma and her two favourite companions.
A true nod to Mazda's Jimbo Tire philosophy of horse and rider as one.
Now it's time to get a behind-the-scenes look at some recent VR filming at Longcross Test Track with the all-new CX-5.
We've had an incredible day today at the Longcross Test Track. We've taken the all-new CX-5 and really tried to put it through its paces. We're shooting a VR experience so that you can get a real 360 view of what the driver sees as you go around the track.
I think once you're inside the Mazda CX-5 360 virtual experience, if you're not a driver and you're inside the car, you're transported to a world that you would never ever get the chance to do. And I think that is more likely to make people go out and want to try this car for real.
We have a surprise at the end of the VR experience, and we had a stunt driver here at the track today. It's incredible what he's managed to do with the car, and we're really excited for people to experience it.
It's going to be great that people got an insight into what goes on inside the car. It's impressive from the outside, but people can watch it now in the comfort of their own sort of CX-5 and know exactly how it feels. I put it up the ramp the first time, felt absolutely fantastic. Really confident. I went for it off the first go, so I was delighted with that. And now, end of the day, we've got it in the bag and everybody seems happy.
And to stress, please do not try that at home.
That's all for this episode. We'll see you next time.
And subscribe to keep up to date with exclusives just like that.
And more. See you soon.
Bye.